Hi, I'm Certified Sommelier Beverly Crandon, and welcome to another episode of What I'm Drinking This Week. And this week, I've got something from Alentejo. I am drinking the Vidigueira Antão Vaz 2024, and you're in for a surprise with this one. So as I mentioned, I'm drinking the Vidigueira Antão Vaz 2024 out of Alentejo, produced by the cooperative Adega of Vidigueira. So we're in Alentejo, which is Portugal, so one of the southern wine regions in Portugal. Alentejo is known for producing big, bold reds, luscious, plush reds with that heat. So you're probably wondering how it's producing whites. So let me just tell you, there's some cooling influences there. Some proximity to coast, but the more, I guess, meaningful cooling influence is the Serra de Porta, the escarpment that brings cool air into Vidigueira. So it helps us with wines like this. Now, the grape may be one that you've not heard of. So Antão Vaz is the grape. And it is like known to Alentejo. It's Alentejo's white grape. Very rarely do you see it grown elsewhere. So it's not uncommon that people have never heard of this grape before. I am curious to see what this is going to be like. I mean, I did have a quick taste of it, and so that's why I picked it up in the store. But now that I'm going to have some time to spend with it, I do like that deep color too, right? You see that? Antão Vaz is a bit more of a brooding, thicker skin grape. So you see that here. It's young. It's 2024. So it's got a nose though. I'm not even at the bowl, and I'm smelling it. I'm getting that nose. So let's just jump right into what's happening in this glass. Oh man, it is tropical. It is white flowers. Very, very, very fragrant. It is Flint. It is banana. Oh, papaya. Pear. This is gorgeous smelling on the nose. It's a bit of a waxy finish that I'm getting there too. The beeswax. Okay, I'm gonna taste this. That's a lot of fun. Great acidity. Woo-hoo. Easy drinking, smooth on the palate, moderate finish, great citrus, lemon, lime, green apple. You can get some of that phenolic bitterness from the skins of the grape. So that shows up to me in a very nutty style. I get that on the side palate here. It's quite a lovely, easy drinking wine. Moderate alcohol, low alcohol, so 12.5%. Only 3 grams residual sugar in this too. I'm going back for one more. Really fun. There's something like a burnt finish on it. It's an interesting wine. Actually quite fun. Only $16.95 in my market. So, and I think it's good value for money. You get what you pay for. And award-winning if that matters to you. So there you have it. That's what I'm drinking this week. The Vidigueira Antão Vaz from the cooperative Adega out of Alentejo. You know, I'm curious, have you guys come across Antão Vaz as a grape before in one of the wines, maybe blended? I'm curious, let me know. Drop a comment. As usual, if this was useful, you liked it, please subscribe. And in the meantime, until the next one, happy exploring. We'll see you soon. Cheers.